Okay, good morning to all. Today's class is trees. So it covers fifth chapter, fifth unit according to our syllabus. According to our syllabus, it is the fourth unit. Up to now, we are discussing linear data structures, stacks, queues, linked lists, everything are the linear data structures. Now we are discussing non-linear data structures. So what is a non-linear data? So actually, data structure. So what is data structure? The way of organizing the data is called as data structure. What is data structure? The way of organizing the data, arrangement of the data is called as data structure. Actually, there are two types of data structures. One is called as linear data structures. Another is called as non-linear data structures. What is linear data structures? When the nodes are arranged linearly or sequentially, that data that we call as linear data structures. When the data is arranged linearly or sequentially, that data structure we call as linear data structures. If you go for stacks, queues, linked lists, arrays, it's a one linear data structures. We are arranging the data is linearly. Linearly means sequentially. While in the case of trees and graphs, it's a non-linear data structures. In non-linear data structure, the data is not organized sequentially. So we cannot organize the data sequentially. That we call as non-linear data structures. There are two types of non-linear data structures, trees and graphs. Trees and graphs are the non-linear data structures. What is a tree? A tree is a recursive data structure containing a set of one or more data nodes, where one node is designated as a special node called as a root node, while the remaining nodes are called as children of the root node. So what is a data structure? What is a tree? A tree is a recursive data structure. So now we say that some way is a non-linear data structure. I will call as non-linear non-linear data structure containing set of one or more data nodes, where one node is designated as a root node of the tree, while the remaining nodes are called as children of the root. So that's called as a tree. The nodes other than the root node are partitioned into non-empty sets, where each one of them is called as subtrees. So each of the children we called as subtrees. Nodes of the tree either contains a parent or child. So we take non-made of this completely. In general tree, a node may have any number of children nodes, but it can have only one single parent. The following, so this is the one called as a tree. What is a tree? A tree is a non-linear data structure. So one non-linear data structure which contains a set of one or more data nodes, where one node is designated as root node and remaining nodes are called as children of the root node. One node is the root node and remaining nodes are called as children of the root node. The nodes other than the root node are partitioned into non-empty sets, where one of them is called a subtree. In general tree, a node can have any number of children nodes, but can have only one parent node. Any number of children nodes, but it can have only one parent node. So if you take this is the node tree. So this we call as a tree. So A is the root node. This is called as root node. These three nodes are children subtrees. We call as subchildren. Subsets T1, T2, and T3 are the subsets. The node height of the root node is level 0. This we call as a level 0, level 1, level 2. So we use some standard terminology, basic terminology. So in trees, we use some basic terminology. This is the tree we called as A is the root node, So this is the level 1, level 0, this is a level 1, this is level 2. Basic terminology. What is a root node? A root node is the topmost node in the tree hierarchy. So it is the top node. This is the top node. So the top node is called as root node. Root node in the hierarchy. In other words, root node is one of the a tree has only one root node. A root node. The root node is the topmost node in the tree. So the topmost node in the tree is called as root node. A tree can have only one root node. We have only one root node. That's we called as root node. Subtrees. If the root node is not null, so then T1, T2, T3 is called as subtrees. So here T1 is T2 or T3 is called as subtrees. So we call it as subtrees. In some other ways, we will call it some other way. The children of the node is called as subtrees. The children's of the root node. We have this is the tree root node. These are the children's T1, T2, T3. The children's of the root node we called as subtree. So what is subtree? The children's of the node. These are the children's. These children's we called as so subtrees. What is a leaf node? A node is a tree with children. So what is a leaf node? So a node which cannot contains children's. The nodes which cannot contain children's, those nodes are called as leaf nodes. Leaf nodes are the bottom of the tree. There may be any number of leaf nodes. There may be any number of leaf nodes of a tree. Of a general tree. The nodes are also called as external nodes. These nodes we called as external nodes. Here E, F, G, H are the nodes which cannot have children. Actually, A has the children B, C, D. B has the children E and F. C cannot have children. D has two children G and H. The nodes which cannot have children, those nodes we called as leaf nodes. Here E cannot have children, so E is the leaf node. Cannot have children, so F is the leaf node. C cannot have children, C is the leaf node. Cannot have children, E is the leaf node. H cannot have children, H is the leaf node. The leaf nodes are so what are the leaf nodes? E, F, C, G, H. E, F, C, G, and H. These are the leaf nodes. We call as the leaf nodes. These are all the leaf nodes. What is a path? A path. The sequence of consecutive edges is called as a path. So what is the sequence? The sequence of a sequence from root node to the sequence from root node to corresponding edge we called as a path. Corresponding node is called as a path. The sequence of consecutive edges is called as a path. For example, the path for the node is A to B, B to E. So the path to the node is A to B, B to E. So that's we call as path. Ancestor. What is ancestor? The parents and grandparents of a node is called as ancestors. Ancestors are the nodes. The parents and grandparents. The parent and grandparent of the node is called as ancestors. What is the degree? So we have descendants also. Descendants. Descendants. The children of the node. The children of the node is called as descendants. For example, the descendants for node A is B, C, D, E, F, G, H. For example, the descendants are descendants for node A is, what are the descendants for node A is B, C, D, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. These are all the descendants. So what is the degree? Degree means what is the degree, and we call it as a degree. The number of the number of subtrees is called as degree. The number of subtrees the number of subtrees node, the number of subtrees for the node, for the root node, for the parent node is called as degree. A node is called as a degree of a node. The degree of root node is 3. The degree of root node. Level. Each node of the tree is assigned to a level. There is a number called level. Level number which starts from 0. Root node in the tree is always present at level 0. So these are the some terminology we use in trees. One is called as root node. What is root node? A node which cannot have parent. Those nodes we called as root node. A node, the topmost a tree has only one node. The topmost node in the topmost node is called as a root node. Root node cannot have parent. So in other words, a node which cannot have parent, a node which cannot have parent is called as a root node. A node which cannot have parent is called as root node, either root node. So leaf nodes, subtrees. Subtrees means the root node is not null. Then tree one is subtrees means the children of the root node. These are the children we call as a subtrees. We call as subtrees. Leaf node, the nodes which cannot have children. Those nodes are called as leaf nodes. A tree can have any number of leaf nodes. Path. A path is a sequence of edges from root node to root node is called as a path. Degree. The number of subtrees is called as a degree. Level. So each node has a level. So that root node starts with the level 0. Descendants. So the children and grandchildren, the children of a node is called as descendants. The parents of a node is called as ancestors. These are the terminology we are used in trees. This is tree. So this is the some terminology: root node, subtrees, leaf node. But mainly we use root node, leaf node, root node, leaf node, degree, in degree and out degree also. In degree means we use different terminologies. In degree, out degree, like this we use. In degree means the incoming path. Out degree means outgoing paths. We call as in degree means incoming path. The node, the in degree of a parent node is one in a for a tree. Out degree means the number of children. The number of children are called as out degree. Out degree means the number of children. The number of children we called as out degree. So we like this we use some terminologies. So then we go for a binary tree. What is a binary tree? Up to now we are discussing. This is a general tree. We call it as general tree. Binary tree. What is a binary tree? A binary tree is a tree a binary tree is a tree. Each node has at most of each node has at most of each node has at most of two children. Each node has a binary tree. Binary tree is a tree. So in binary tree, so each node has at most of two children. In binary tree, each node has at most of two children. If a tree has at most of two children, that a tree is called as a binary tree. What is binary tree? Binary tree is a tree. Each node has at most of two children. A node has at most of two children. So a tree has at most of two children. Such a tree is called as a binary tree. So we go for one example, one diagram. So actually, so I'll copy the diagrams from some other sites because drawing the diagram is a time consuming process. That's why. So it's a, like this to draw. It's a time consuming process. That's why I will take diagram from some other sites. So this this is so we have the here. So this is the binary tree we have copied. So this is the binary tree. So each node has a is a true. This node has two children. B. This node also has two children. This node, this is also two children. If each node has at most of two children, if a node has at most of two children, such a tree we called as binary tree. So this tree we called as a binary tree because A has two children, B and C. B has also two children, D and E. C is also has two children, F and G. If a node has at most of two children, so it is an at most of two children, then it is called as binary tree. So we take one more example. Problem is the diagram. Types of binary trees. There are two types of binary trees. They are, first one is full binary tree. Second one is complete binary. So we have full binary tree. Strict binary, we say that. So full binary tree and complete binary tree. What is full binary tree? So full binary tree is a binary tree A full binary tree is a binary tree in which a full binary tree is a binary tree in which each node has in which each node has at most of two children, at most of two children. A tree with level k has with level k has less than 2 power k minus 1 nodes. A tree with the level k has less than 2 power k minus 1 nodes. For example, say a tree with we have so less than 2 power k minus 1 nodes. A tree with the level k, suppose this first level. So 0th level, first level, second level. So 2 power k plus 1 minus 1 nodes. So we start from 0 that's way. So 0th level, first level, second level. 7, 2 plus 1, 3. 2 cube plus 1, 7. So if the tree has less than 7 nodes, then we call it as a full binary tree. A complete binary tree, so we take example. This is an example. So full binary tree. Okay, students, tomorrow I will copy before the class so that a time will be consumed. So it's one difficult to draw. So that's why I will copy from different sites and explain. Tomorrow I will copy all pictures and I will explain tomorrow. Okay. So you please leave today's class.